Babe, finally, can you come over?
Babe, sorry. I can't pa.
Why not?
Na-extend ako dito sa Singapore.
Andyan ka pa? Okay, can I borrow money? I really need it.
Oh, I would. Kaso, tight ako ngayon eh.
Huh? Hindi ba dapat bibili naman ng necklace?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, kaso... Medyo na-short ako eh. So, maybe next trip ko na lang. How about your friends? Sila Gia?
I tried calling them, but hindi sila sumasagot. Okay lang. Masaya na ako just to hear the sound of your voice. Babe, something happened.
Tim, like ako. Kaya?
Babe, I'll have to go, okay?
But babe,
Mama, nice! Mama, nice! Nakabukas na po kasi yung gate nyo, kaya pumasok na ako. Oh, ano nangyari dito?
naswindle yung stepfather ko by his finance manager. And yung pinagkakautangan ng company took everything.
As in, lahat?
Yeah, even my blankets. And they were from Paris pa. Itong couch lang at tinira dahil hindi kasya sa truck nila. Last 2 weeks ko na dito sa bahay. Wala na akong pera. Hindi ko alam paano kitang babayaran. Hindi ko na rin alam paano ako mabubuhay. What do I do?
Wala naman siguro ibang choice kundi trabaho ka.
Trabaho? Huh?